Mastering English, Raise the Livestock, Unveiled. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, raise the livestock. Whether you're an English learner aiming to expand your vocabulary or someone interested in agricultural terms, this video is for you. Let's break down this phrase together and understand its meaning, usage, and the context in which it's often found. Stay tuned. First things first, let's look at the word raise. In the context of our phrase, raise means to care for and grow. It involves nurturing and providing for needs. This term is not exclusive to agriculture. It can be used in various contexts, such as raising children, raising your hand, or even raising a building, which means to construct. However, in our phrase, it's all about bringing up animals. Moving on to livestock. Livestock refers to farm animals that are kept, bred, and raised for utility purposes. This can include animals like cows, pigs, chickens, goats, and sheep. These animals play a crucial role in the agricultural sector, providing meat, dairy, eggs, and more. So, when we talk about livestock, we're talking about the animals that contribute significantly to farming and food production. Now that we understand the individual words, let's put them together. To raise the livestock means to nurture and care for farm animals from their early stages of life until they reach the intended goal, which might be for them to produce milk, eggs, or to grow large enough for meat. This process includes feeding, providing medical care, sheltering, and ensuring they have a safe and comfortable environment to grow in. It's a term that encapsulates the entirety of the effort and resources invested into the well-being and productivity of farm animals. Understanding phrases like raise the livestock is crucial not only for English learners but also for anyone interested in agriculture, food production, or even cultural studies. This phrase sheds light on the importance of agriculture in daily life and the significant effort behind animal husbandry. It's a great example of how English can open up discussions about global issues, sustainability, and the interconnectedness of societies through the lens of language. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning behind raise the livestock. We hope this video has enriched your understanding of not only the phrase itself but also its broader implications in agriculture and English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is a gateway to understanding the world better, and every new phrase you master adds to your ability to communicate and understand complex ideas. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Happy learning! And see you in our next video.